Reflection of light. I have taught laws of reflection of light. There are two laws of reflection of light. First laws of reflection of light is incident ray, reflected ray, and normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. And second law of reflection of light is that angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. Once again, angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. Today I will teach you types of reflection. There are two types of reflection: regular reflection and diffuse reflection. Regular reflection. What do we mean by regular reflection of light? The reflection of light which takes place from a smooth surface, from a highly polished surface, from a plane surface is called regular reflection of light. Suppose that M dash is a plane surface on which a parallel beam of light rays is falling. After reflection, they remain parallel. Such a types of reflection is called regular reflection of light. Here we are observing that a parallel beam of light rays when falls on a plane surface, they remain parallel after reflection. So the reflection which takes place from a regular surface, from a plane surface, from a highly polished surface is called regular reflection of light. Second, diffuse reflection. Diffuse reflection. The reflection of light which takes place from uneven surface, from a rough surface is called diffuse reflection of light or irregular reflection of light. For example, reflection of light which takes place from book, pen, pencil, chalk, duster, chair, bench, walls, or any substance which surface is not a plane but rough, uneven is called diffuse reflection. In diffuse reflection, suppose that M dash is uneven surface. Here we are observing that M and M dash is uneven surface. When a parallel beam of light ray falling on this uneven surface, they get deflected in different direction. After reflection, they get reflected in different direction. In a diffuse reflection, the reflected rays are not remain parallel. They get reflected in different direction. So the reflection of light which takes place from uneven surface, from rough surface is called diffuse reflection. Object. What do we mean by objects? Anything which give out light rays is called objects. For example, book, chair, chalk, table, wall, tree, or face, all are objects. Anything which gives out light or light rays is called objects. Objects are of two types: point objects and extended objects. Those objects which are very small, like point size, is called point objects. Point objects are represented by point, by dot. This symbol represents point object. Point objects represented by dot. Extended object. those objects which are very large are called extended object. For example, tree, walls, buildings, these are examples of extended object. Image. What do we mean by image? What is image? Image is an optical appearance produced when light rays coming from an object get reflected from a mirror. Once again you try to understand what is image. What do we mean by image? Image is an optical appearance produced when light rays coming from an object get reflected from a mirror is called image. When we see into a mirror, our face is an object, and what we see in the mirror, that is image. Image is an optical appearance which form in a mirror. When we see in a mirror, we see the image of our face. That image is an optical appearance. When light rays falls from our face on the mirror, then they get reflected, and what we see in the mirror, that is an optical appearance, and that is called image. Image is of two types. Real image. Real image. The image which we can obtain on the screen is called a real image. Real image, once again you try to understand what is real image. The image which form on a screen or which can be obtained on a screen is called real image. Real image can be obtained on a screen. For example, the image which is formed on the cinema screen is called real image. The image which is formed in photographic film is also example of real image. When we see movie on the screen of our TV or in the mobile, we see the image of actors and actresses. The image of actors and actresses which are formed on the screen of our TV or mobile screen are the example of real image. Real image can be obtained on a screen. Now, virtual image. Virtual image. What do we mean by virtual image? The image which cannot be obtained on a screen is called virtual image. Image which cannot be formed, which cannot be obtained on a screen is called virtual image. There is a plain mirror in our home. Early in the morning, we see our face in the plain mirror. The image which is formed in the plain mirror is virtual image. This image is not formed on the screen or on the glass of reflecting surface of plain mirror. This image formed behind the mirror. Such a types of image is known as virtual image. Virtual image cannot be obtained on a screen. The image which is formed in a plain mirror is the example of virtual mirror. Real image can be obtained by concave mirror or by convex lens. Real image can be obtained by concave mirror और convex lens. तो मिरर की बात आ ही गई तो समझ लेते हैं कि मिरर क्या है. व्हाट इज ए मिरर? मिरर इज ए थिन sheet of glass which is made by coating silver paint on its one side, and reflection of light rays takes place from the other side. Types of mirror: there are three types of mirror: plane mirror, concave mirror, and convex mirror. The mirror which reflecting surface is plane is called plane mirror. Plane mirror form image same size as the object.